Did Matt miss the real crack on the Bugatti Chiron?
For now, there's a few things we need to clear up and one vital thing we need to know. We haven't lifted the car up in the ramp yet, but a few of you people have commented before we continue on to do anything else about a potential crack in the gearbox, which I really want to know about.
Welcome to GASION Motors Reviews. Today, we are moving past the easy wins and diving into a potential disaster. A few days ago, the automotive community breathed a collective sigh of relief when Matt wiped away a fluid residue line on the Bugatti Chiron's gearbox, seemingly debunking the cracked transmission rumors. But while the surface-level smudge was a false alarm, a closer look at the 4K raw footage suggests we celebrated too early. After a frame-by-frame breakdown and digital enhancement from our community detectives, we found a secondary anomaly, one that wasn't wiped down, and one that looks far more structural than a simple oil leak. To understand why this matters, you have to understand the Chiron's architecture. This 7-speed dual-clutch transmission manages over 1,100 pound-feet of torque. The casing is billet aluminum, a material known for its incredible rigidity, but also its tendency to fracture rather than bend under the kind of lateral shock this car sustained in its accident. The original Copart listing specifically flagged underbody cracks. We initially dismissed this as mounting point damage, but the area we're looking at today is much more sensitive, the main structural bell near the lower solenoid bank. Let's look at the enhanced footage. At the 1-minute 22-second mark of the original video, the pen light sweeps past the lower left quadrant of the solenoid housing. As we boost the exposure and contrast in this dark corner, a jagged, non-linear mark becomes visible. Unlike the fluid line Matt cleaned, which followed a vertical path dictated by gravity, this mark propagates horizontally, tracking directly along a known stress point where the solenoid block meets the main casing. It is thin, irregular, and tracks behind the mounting bolt, characteristics that align perfectly with a stress fracture rather than a casting flash or a liquid streak. The danger here is the internal environment of this gearbox. These solenoids manage extreme hydraulic pressures. If this is indeed a micro-fracture, it isn't just a leak, it's a ticking time bomb. Under the thermal expansion of a high-speed run or the massive torque load of a launch, a hairline crack can bridge. Once that happens, you aren't just looking at a puddle on the floor. You're looking at a catastrophic loss of hydraulic pressure and a potential structural failure of the casing itself. On a car where a replacement transmission can cost as much as a suburban home, assuming it's just a shadow is a gamble no restorer should take.
The Bugatti Chiron is the world's fastest and highest performing supercar, boasting a top speed of 420 kilometers per hour and a 16-cylinder engine capable of producing 1,500 horsepower.
The conclusion is clear. This area needs a professional forensic inspection. We're calling for a full Dye-Penetrant test or a high-resolution borescope analysis behind that lower solenoid block. In a rebuild of this magnitude, the difference between a success and a total loss is often found in the shadows that were overlooked during the initial teardown. We need to know for certain if the Bugatti's heart is truly sound, or if the Copart crack is still hiding in plain sight. What do you see in these enhanced frames? Is the community over-analyzing a trick of the light, or is this the smoking gun that changes the entire trajectory of the build? Let's get the discussion going in the comments. This has been GASION Motors Reviews.